Okay, so this is my 2013 Chevy Volt Bullfrog Power Edition. I'm just going to go at a quick explanation of what Bullfrog Power stands for, or what they mean, or their explanation of this is. When I first purchased this vehicle, you can see the little tally plate on the back. It says Bulldog Power Edition. I didn't understand what it was, and I asked the dealership, and the guys at the dealership had no idea what it was, and they just said it's some kind of special edition. So I didn't really think much of it. Then I got my monthly, just yesterday, I got my monthly statement, diagnostic in the email. For those of you who do not know, Chevy Volts through OnStar get monthly basically diagnostic checks sent to you in your email form. They do everything from your drivetrain to your pressure of your tires to your power, your electrical power, i.e. how many kilowatts of power you're using, how many how much gas you're using, and whether you can be more efficient this way or that way or the other thing. So basically they send you that monthly. And in this one, there was a little hyperlink below, a hyperlink for Bullfrog Power. So I clicked on it, and it sent me to their webpage. And so I did a little quick read, and then I did some more research online. And basically what I got out of it was that Bullfrog is a Canadian company that deals with green source of power through the electrical grid. So basically they're a company that gets strictly electrical power into green sources, i.e. through hydroelectric, gets it through wind power, gets it through methane through landfill, and a couple other methods. And then they take that power and they sell it to companies like small businesses. They sell it to, obviously, back to the electrical grid itself, so whatever area you're in. So what they've done is they've gone in company with, or gone into, or I should say, they've gone to power with Chevy through the Volt program, and they're basically supplying your power grid with whatever kilowatts of power you're using. So again, they've gone into partnership with Chevy Volt. Chevy Volt sends them your monthly stats as to how many kilowatts of power you're using. And then the Bullfrog Power Company takes those kilowatts of power, and then they take that and feed it back into the grid with green source of power. So for my area, now others might be different. And this is in Canada, mind you. I don't know if it's in the States, or they have this program in the States. I'm not too sure. I didn't read anything about it. But anyways, in my area, BC, 60%, again, these stats are from what I've read. I could be completely off on this. So if you know something else that I don't, feel free to comment below. But basically in BC, we get 60 to 80% of our power is through hydroelectric. And then the other percentage, whatever's left, is typically through natural gas. For those of you who do not know anything about natural gas, this is another thing these guys, Bullfrog Power, claim, is that they have the only green source of natural gas. Now I'm going to have to do a little bit more research into that, but I'm not entirely sure. Natural gas by itself, the harvesting of natural gas, is not exactly environmentally friendly. Basically, it's extremely dangerous what they do, and harmful to the environment through the fracking of the ground to get the natural gas out. But this company, again, claims that they have a green way of getting natural gas. So I'll have to do a little bit more research on that. So again, essentially these guys, Bullfrog Power, they take your kilowatts hours from Chevy, the information through your diagnostic check each month, and then they supply back into the power grid whatever you've used so far in a form of green power. And it's called Bullfrog Power Edition, and it's a Canadian company. Again, if anybody else knows anything about that, feel free to comment below. I think it's kind of interesting. If their claims are true, it's a cool way of doing things, and I'm glad they kind of teamed up with Chevy. Shows you the way of the future. All right, thank you.